Hi, I'm George Neeb. I'm the author and illustrator of Pharaoh's Arrow, my new picture book about ancient Egypt. Today I'm going to show you how I created the artwork in my book. You can download pictures from Pharaoh's Arrow off my website, georgeneeb.ca, and then you can color them and add your own paint effect that I'm going to show you how to do. To create your Egyptian picture, you're going to need pencil crayons. You need to color with something that's going to repel the paint. The paint I'm using is a tempera paint. I chose brown and yellow to create the effect of papyrus. You're going to need a nice big brush so that you can get brush strokes that will give texture. I use a little bit of water in order to highlight the white. And then the secret to it all is a disposable cloth. This is going to give you that papyrus look. So let's get started and you'll see how the pictures are done. Alright, this is the finished picture of what it's going to look like today. And this is how you're going to start. And remember, these can be downloaded right off my website. I used a little bit of peach on the lips. In ancient Egypt art, women were often portrayed with a yellow skin tone. So I used a yellow for Akia. Alright, anything that you want to stay white, you need to color white because you need it to repel that paint. So I use a white and I always do the inside of their eyes. Okay, now we're ready to add the paint effect. I take my brush and I take my paint and I decide where I'd like some highlights. Where do I want things to stand out? So I'm going to put a little bit of yellow around his face, a little bit of yellow here. I just take my brown and just start putting it on. Then I go the other way to give it that papyrus texture. I'm going to take a little bit of water. I'm going to just touch up the white. Then I take my cloth and I just open it up and I cover it completely and I give it a good rub. And I peel it off. I've got that great Egyptian papyrus texture. If there's any parts that you think need to stand out a little more, you might just add a little bit of water. And then you can just give those areas a little bit of a dab. And there you've got it. Your papyrus picture from Pharaoh's Arrow.